Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check your phone OS and whether you'll use Bluetooth or USB OTG. Once done, power the Fingerprint device and put it into pairing mode so it's discoverable. Next, install the vendor app or a trusted universal biometric driver. This app will handle enrollment and settings. While installing, grant necessary permissions like location and storage so the app can find the device and save templates. Now proceed to the device connection step. You now connect the hardware inside the app. Tap Add Device and select Bluetooth if wireless, or plug the OTG cable and accept USB permissions. Make sure the phone stays unlocked and close other Bluetooth apps to avoid interference. Once connected, select enrollment and place your finger as instructed. Perform 3 to 5 consistent scans from different angles so the algorithm creates a robust template. After enrollment, give the template a clear name and set authentication preferences so you finish by testing the fingerprint with several quick unlock attempts using varied pressure and angles. Make sure access is consistent before relying on it. Once satisfied, enable a backup PIN or pattern in security settings so you always have an alternative. If you need the scanner for apps, register it with each app's security settings. If something goes wrong, the fastest fix is to re-enroll the finger, confirm app permissions and Bluetooth/OTG connection. Then reboot the phone and retry enrollment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.